turn towards turning ଏପଟେ ଗୋଟେ ଗଛ
ସିଧା କାଢ଼ିବା।
ଏପଟେ ଟିକେ ସିନ୍ଟା ନାଇଁ Good morning to all of you. Thank you to all of you in this place. Please overlook all this scene and the scenery.
हल्ला करता ठीक बैठने की।
Dear spectator, please overlook the scene and the scenery and the natural barriers of the nature. Please overlook this. What a miracle scene of nature. Overlook it. Thank you to all. Namaste. Goodbye. As well as Jai Hind. Hello. Right. Ayurvedic student, please overlook it. This is a bamboo tree, as you call the world's tallest plant, green plant as you call. That's the usefulness of a bamboo tree, which I have given you. First of all, it is coolness to the body temperature when you have used these leaves and its roots for medicinal purpose. Second thing, the leaf of bamboo juice help for pregnant of the urinal war, frequent discharge of urinals properly in their bodies, and burning in body and piles and blood circulation may also develop by using its leaves of a bamboo plant. And those who patient are suffering in blood vomiting and other things that can be stopped and root out from the body, and facial surfaces also may develop immediately by using this squash of these leaves. So the bamboo's joints are more essential for, if you have made this powder and with the rice burning juice have mixed with this few water, may eradicate the disease of man's problem of females, and whiteness discharge of the ladies cases also more important for. It is very essential for those who have known these things. This is a very good aspect for the development of their future life. Its leaf and roots may also help to root out the jaundice also of all human beings, and insomnia as well as pneumonia disease also may rooted out from their bodies. The other blood pollution things may also eradicated immediately, and those who patient have suffered in cough and asthma, that disease may also root out from human bodies by using its leaves its fruits as well as its roots also. It is very important for all human beings to have overlook it. And secondary thing, if you have observed that this is a photographs, you have just overlook it. These photographs, the tribal people of Jumbo tribes of Ethiopia, they have used this bamboo for walking on this way towards the forest level areas and other mountain range areas. They have used as their legs, as as you called, not a perfect way, but also during their herding of cows and sheep, they have used these bamboos for their working purpose. They have attached these bamboos and added with their foot, and that foot may walk on this way. This is a very important and essential things for all tribal peoples also in Ethiopia. Look at there. This is very important for their future prospect. You have to overlook it. They are those who are unmarried tribal people of Jumbo in Ethiopia. They have used this leg footer as a bamboo. This bamboo was very important and essential for their cow herding and sheep herding in the forest regions and the dense forest areas also. This is very important for. They have worked frequently on the mountain regions and they have protected their lives from wild animals also, wild snakes and other creatures, those who have want to kill the human beings in this sphere. Please overlook it. It is very important for our central government and the state government has given, Odisha government has given special priority for protecting these bamboo trees. These bamboo trees has reserve and protect our soil erosion also. Soil erosion may not take place if these plants are there. Please overlook it. Okay? But especially in the African continent, this tree is in plenty available. So please overlook it, and it is a very important for, please observe and overlook it kindly. It is very essential for all human beings to have overlook it and acknowledge this matter. It is very important and essential for. And lastly, I would like to give my conclude points that these Jumbo tribes have used these bamboos. First of all, during their marriage ceremony, they have first used this bamboo, and for their auspicious day, they have celebrated and worshipped this bamboo tree in Ethiopia and others, Sudan and other African continents. Particularly the South African tribal peoples have also used these things for their development purpose and for their celebration of their cultures, tradition and customs in this manner. Please overlook it and observe it. It is very essential and important for the forest department also, and Ayurvedic students also overlook it. Thanks to all of you by observing this matter, and goodbye to all of you in this sphere. Namaste and Jai Hind. Important aspect of life for all creatures in this world. So you have to overlook it and subscribe my channels also. I have given a few related plants also that may helpful to them for their future prospect of a medicinal purpose. Overlook these things. This plant is a very important and essential plant for the patient, those who have suffered in blood piles, bleeding piles also. Those who have suffered bleeding piles, this the roots, as you call the kanda of this plant, is very essential for the future development and immediately curable of piles diseases. So you should have overlook it and recognize this plant. It is a very essential for all human beings. They should have recognized it first and thereafter make the medicinal purpose. So we have to stop it now. We will just reach at nearby a bamboo plant where that is located there. It is very near to us, and then after we will reach to next plant that is the bamboo. It is very important for all human beings in this world. So you should have overlook it and may subscribe this channel also for your future prospect.